This video will go over how to fill out the holding times tab in the eQAPP Setup tool. For information on how to fill out the other tabs, please refer to our eQAPP tutorials playlist linked in the description. Go to Tools, Data, eQAPP Setup. Select the correct project and go to the Holding Times tab. Select the test method list and matrix to edit. In this case, we'll choose one of our lists for method SW6020A. Once we've chosen our method, we can see the test, preparation, and leach level holding times for each analyte. We can also see whether the holding times are in units of days or hours and each analyte's rejection factor. The default holding times come from the test methodology or associated EPA chapter in most cases. They are populated based on which method templates were chosen on the Copy eQAPP tab. The rejection factor calculates the gross hold time for the project. Some projects do not use gross hold times, such as projects using the National Functional Guidelines. In these cases, the rejection factor would be 1. In other projects, the gross hold times may be 200% of the holding time, in which case the rejection factor would be 2. Note that the gross hold times must be the same for all analytes across all methods. If we were not using the defaults, we could update the holding times and units for each analyte by typing into the appropriate field in that analyte row. Alternatively, if we needed to update a large number of rows at once, we could select the rows and use the Field to Replace tool. We'd choose the field we want to replace, type in the new value, then click Replace. Note that different analytes can use different holding times. You do not need to use the same number for each analyte on this tab. Once you have finished editing the selected method, click Save Changes in the upper left corner. From there, you can select another method from the drop-down to edit as needed. The holding times listed on this tab will be used by the automated data review to determine if any qualifiers need to be added due to holding time exceedances. The DoD QSM version 5.4 allows for the full hour, day, or 30-day month, depending on whether the holding time is measured in hours, days, or months before data is qualified. The FUDSChem Automated Data Review, ADR, is configured to flag for holding time exceedances according to these specifications. For more information, please refer to our Best Practices Holding Times video, linked in the description. There is also a Best Practices pamphlet for hold times, which can be found on FUDSChem before logging in under Resources, Best Practices. Don't forget to subscribe to the FUDSChem YouTube channel for more tutorial videos. All of the tutorials and playlists mentioned during this video are linked in the description below. Lastly, if you have questions or comments, feel free to contact us at fuds.support@synectics.net. Thank you.